All right, let's define the purpose for this 7-day goal. We have product API, Groove 7 My Journey, and define purpose. This is meant for yesterday, March 28th. On Tuesday, the quantum MeMoir prompt is come up with a definition for purpose. And I combined ecology, physiology, and sociology to say a cymatic sphere that uses energy from ecology to create the physiology of a product that can help evolve our sociology. What is my short-term goal? And I pulled this from the 28-day micro agenda API from March 28th to April 3rd. So let's go to that real quick. So that's right here. This is the week associated. Remember, within the lunar cycle, this is where we are within the 28-day cycle. We're filling this out. And this is the associated task. So for Hue 3, published 0.9.0 framework book lesson. For TrainFarb, published JR's Joyous Creation 0.9.0 PDF and LinkedIn. And for DEG, published the 1.8.0 governance to GitHub. Now, the shortest term within these layered approaches is going to be 144 5PI Mama, the feminine, because the feminine is in the present and the masculine is going to be in the future. So the masculine is the 84-day goal. The chord between the two is the 28-day goal, and then the 7-day goal is the feminine here. So Hue 3 is taking on the role of the feminine here. So the goal from the lunar cycle was to publish 0.9.0 ecoSuccession framework book lesson. What are my priorities? This is another prompt from Quantum MeMoir with the visual notes page. So I pulled this also from the same place, the 28-day micro agenda API. And for 369, I have complete 0.9.0 process for JR's Joyous Creation. And that involves publishing it to LinkedIn, having a presentation, and having a general script that works. Similarly, for 369, I want to do the same thing for TrainFarb to make sure I have something solid for that. And I'll be doing both 0.9.0 and 1.8.0 for DEG to stay on track. Part of the visual notes page is marking which of the chakra energies that you're aligned with. So I'm going to start doing that on the side of each of these panels. And I felt pretty good about all of them. I got supported amazingly this week, and I'm just really grateful for it. Very hopeful for where things are going to be going, and I feel I'm really able to express myself more now that I've been doing these videos. Now, how do these goals inspire a purpose for what we're working towards? I said beautiful BIM 4D blueprints, but I want to give some context there. As I create these courses, I'm going to be drawing them out as their blueprints. So the first question someone answers, it's going to be the foundation. And then the second, it's going to be the structure. And the third, it's going to be the outside casing. So as we create these, I want to help people create their actual floor plan or their map for their actual site. And then when they're answering the questions for the different aspects, they'll be actually building something within a 3D model. So my purpose for this week is to create beautiful BIM, building information modeling, 4D, which means it's a 3D model that also tracks time. So you'll see different drawings for different stages of the development, and these are blueprints. So the call to action after completing this is to write in your quantifiable goal. And this is just, again, this is 7-day. So it's just gonna be focused on Hue 3 and the purpose. So I have published 0.9.0 ecoSuccession lesson to Maven, the platform that I'll be hosting my course. And my purpose is beautiful BIM 4D blueprints. That is my statement for this Earth cycle. And now that I have that done, I move up to the agenda. And this is where I'm going to break this down into 6 quantifiable smaller goals, but that's going to be in the next step. So I'm done for right now. That is the purpose. That's generally what I would have done yesterday. But since I was getting all these maps ready, I wanted to take my time with it. So now I'll be moving on to the next step, and that's going to be the ground and the initiate sphere.